Hello, fourth graders. Hope you enjoyed the great weekend we just had. We're coming back to school now, and we're still learning about multiplying fractions. So here's what's going on today. You're going to see problems like this, and it looks really complicated, but it really isn't. Okay, so this model shows 2 times 3/5. Let's make sure you understand that. 2 times 3/5. So I have 3/5 here. So I took something and I divided it into 5 parts, and I have 3 of them. So that there is 3/5. I need 2 of them, so I made another one. So here I have 2 of the 3/5. Here's a 3/5, here's a 3/5. I have 2 of them. Okay? Remember, times means of. Right? They're going to ask this question: how many 1/5 parts are shaded? Well, that's not hard to figure out. You see that there's a 1/5 part shaded here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 1/5 parts shaded. Complete the equation. 2 times 3/5 equals how many of the 1/5? Times means of. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 1/5. Right? So 2 times 3/5 equals, we can just count this up, and it's obviously 6/5. We could do that either by counting this or by doing, 6 of the 1/5 would be 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5, which would be 6/5. Not so bad, right? Let's try another one. Okay. This model shows 3 times 5/12. Let's make sure you understand that. So I took 5/12 and I need 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12. I cut this into 12 pieces and colored in 5 of them. So we have 5/12. I need 3 of those 5/12. So I have 1, 2, 3 of the 5/12. Okay. How many 1/12 parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I could have counted them, or I might have just said, well, it's 5 times 3, which is 15. Either way, I get there are 15 shaded. 15 of the 1/12s are shaded. So 3 times 5/12 is 15/12. Is that seeming pretty easy to you? I hope so. All right, here's another one. Okay. This model shows the product of 5 times 2/3. 5 of the 2/3. So here's a 2/3, here's a 2/3. I need 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 2/3. Now, after you've answered a few questions, they're going to skip this whole part. They're not going to give you that. They're just going to say, okay, what is 5 times 2/3? Okay. And if you don't know, you can always go back. You can make this part up yourself. But if you don't need it, 5 times 2/3, there's a picture of it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10/3 there. Not so bad. I could count them individually, or I know that there's 2 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. So it's going to be 10/3. That's it for today. You may begin.